Passwords are very important in all transactions, especially in our own computers. But what if you forgot your password? Although this is an isolated case, what are your plans to log on to your own computer? You're going to seek the help of computer service technician? I'm not saying all computer service technicians are capable of wiping out your files. Some of them have sufficient experience in fixing computer problems. But what if they are not available? This is very important. Even if you are a beginner, or should I say, you don't have enough idea in using technical computer operations. This is an emergency situation. So this screencast will give you a chance to determine the importance of creating a password reset disk. Hello everyone, I'm Jeffrey Antonico Diaz, and you're watching The Significance of Old School Technology. Every problem has a solution. So before the possible situation arises that we cannot able to open our respective accounts, this is the right time to create a password reset disk. But before that, let's talk about the following definitions. User account. A record that consists of all the information that defines a user to Windows. This includes the username and password required for the user to log on, the groups in which the user account has membership, and the rights and permission the user has for using the computer and network, and accessing their resources. Password. A string of characters used to access information or log on to a computer. Passwords help prevent unauthorized people from accessing files, programs, and other resources. Strong password. A password that cannot be easily guessed or cracked. A strong password is at least 8 characters long, does not contain all or part of user's account name, and contains at least 3 of the 4 following categories of characters. Uppercase characters, lowercase characters, numbers, and symbols found on the keyboard. Creating a password reset disk. A password reset disk allows you to access your account on a local computer by resetting the password in the event that the password is forgotten. When you create the password reset disk, it allows you to reset your password no matter how many times you have changed the password. These are the following requirements that we are about to prepare before creating a password reset disk. Note: store your USB flash drive in a safe location. Anyone can use this disk to access your account on your computer. So it is important that you store the disk in a secure but accessible location. Your USB flash drive won't work on another computer because a password reset disk will only work on the computer it was made on. If you've forgotten your Windows password and you're on a domain, you should contact your system administrator to reset your password. To start this activity, insert your USB flash drive into a USB port available on your computer. Launch user accounts. Select and click Create a Password Reset Disk. Type the assigned password for your account. After doing the procedure, remove your USB flash drive. To take effect the changes you have done on your system, sign out your account. Type a wrong password for the selected account. To start resetting your password, click Reset Password. Plug your USB flash drive in USB port available. Let's try to use an empty password. Now, let's try to log on using an empty password. Now that we are done with password reset disk, again, keep your USB flash drive in a safe location. Don't forget to change your password after doing the activity. That's all for today. See you on next part of this video. This is your keyboard guru saying thank you for continuing support to my channel. May God bless us all, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe.